Innovative medical technologies are reshaping healthcare at a remarkable pace, but keeping up with these changes can feel like an uphill battle. This article will help you navigate this dynamic landscape and stay informed about what to watch for in the future. We explore the latest MedTech trends, including early diagnostics, robotics, AI, and SAMD, so that you can stay ahead of the curve.
Early diagnostics use advanced technology to revolutionize healthcare with higher quality, lower costs, and timely treatment. It's a groundbreaking shift toward proactive disease management. Revolutionizing detection. Wearable devices like smart rings, smartwatches, and fitness trackers provide real-time data on vital signs, sleep patterns, and activity. At the same time, biomarker analysis and point-of-care diagnostics enhance early disease diagnosis. These innovations empower early detection, improve patient outcomes, and ease the healthcare system's burden, ushering in a new era for early disease detection. The data-driven approach. Data analytics and machine learning analyze vast patient data, including medical records and genetic profiles, revealing subtle patterns often missed by humans. In cancer diagnosis, they examine medical images, consider patient histories, genetic data, and environmental factors, tailoring precise diagnoses and treatments. In genomics, data analytics identifies genetic markers linked to various diseases, enabling early screening and intervention for high-risk individuals. Success stories of early diagnosis technologies. Lab-on-chip devices and technologies are finally starting to emerge from the lab and are in a position to impact how medicine is practiced. Broader teams of specialists can carry out real-time, rapid diagnosis for early disease detection and free up doctors to focus on a patient's treatment and recovery. Researchers from the University of Technology, Sydney have developed the static droplet microfluidic device, which can rapidly detect circulating tumor cells that have entered the bloodstream. The device uses a unique metabolic signature of cancer to differentiate tumor cells from normal blood cells. MIT engineers have created an innovative nanoparticle sensor for straightforward cancer detection via a urine test. This sensor identifies various cancer-related proteins, discerns tumor types, and monitors treatment responses. Its user-friendly design employs a paper strip, akin to at-home COVID tests, to enhance affordability and accessibility.
Robots have become more sophisticated and responsive, making greater inroads into medical treatment. Healthcare-associated infections, medical errors, cancer, and mental illness have long been viewed as intractable problems in healthcare, but biomedical engineering is helping to find new ways forward. Here are some noticeable examples. Robotic-assisted surgery significantly improves surgical precision, flexibility, and control, providing greater visibility than traditional methods. It enables delicate and complex procedures that may be challenging or impossible using other techniques. Notably, robotic surgery often facilitates minimally invasive procedures, yielding several benefits such as reduced complications, minimized pain and blood loss, shorter hospital stays, faster recovery, and smaller, less conspicuous scars. The Da Vinci surgical system, the renowned multi-armed wonderbot, minimizes surgical errors and offers enhanced control to surgeons while speeding up patient healing with its precise incisions and minimally invasive approach. New medical robots aid patients on their recovery journey. These rehabilitation robots automate therapy, making it efficient for clinicians and accessible for patients through telerehabilitation. They utilize AI to objectively track progress and provide data-driven therapy, incorporating virtual reality and haptics for customized treatments. The benefits include improved patient progress tracking, automation, data-driven therapy, and greater accessibility. Robots can also play a significant role in treating conditions such as depression and mental illness. Parotherapeutic robot, designed to mimic a baby harbor seal, offers animal therapy benefits without needing live animals and is particularly effective in working with elderly patients suffering from dementia. Marco, another therapeutic robot, serves as an interactive companion, providing support and therapy for teenagers and young adults navigating life's challenges. After discussing the role of data analytics and machine learning in early diagnosis, it's crucial to acknowledge that AI is transforming disease diagnosis and treatment. By leveraging advanced algorithms that can comb through vast amounts of medical data and deliver precise diagnoses, AI-powered diagnostics are revolutionizing the accuracy and efficiency of disease identification, offering a promising outlook for early intervention and treatment. Beyond diagnostics, AI plays a pivotal role in enhancing treatment decisions. Its capacity to process intricate patient data empowers healthcare providers to design personalized treatment plans, offering a tailored approach that considers individual factors in medical history. AI transforms drug discovery by rapidly screening compound libraries, predicting efficacy and safety, and streamlining development. It identifies hit compounds, suggests synthesis routes, and understands drug target interactions, reducing the reliance on time-consuming preclinical and clinical testing. This transformative approach expedites the development of more effective and safer therapies. The software transforms how physicians detect diseases, suggest treatments, and how patients manage their health. Rather than merely supporting existing medical devices, software has evolved into a standalone product known as software as a medical device. According to recent market projections, the global SIMD market is predicted to achieve remarkable growth, potentially reaching a market valuation of $167.59 billion by 2032, with a projected compound annual growth rate of 23.6%. SIMD leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze vast datasets, enabling the development of tailored treatment plans. Thanks to its versatility, it can support and accelerate innovation in other healthcare domains, such as medical treatment and medical devices. SIMD supports remote monitoring, allowing healthcare providers to collect and analyze patient data continuously. Its data-driven nature empowers healthcare professionals by providing real-time insights. This enhances decision-making, reduces medical errors, and facilitates early disease detection. MedTech innovations will continue to help medical professionals provide better care and treat diseases in new ways. Early diagnostics, robotics, AI, and software as medical devices are just a few of the many MedTech trends for the future of healthcare. These advancements will help healthcare providers improve efficiency, deliver personalized care, and save costs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow our socials, and sign up for our monthly newsletter.